So real quick, I wanted to pop on here and I wanted to share how right now I am working my Mary Kay virtually with sending samples to get ready for upcoming appointments.
So what I had done is I just got a normal envelope like this, okay, and I put in a sheet that has a starter kit special on the back and then like some type of closing sheet on the other side. And then I am putting in a tell us what you think sheet, okay? And I am also putting in, this is optional for you guys, but I'm doing like a like me Facebook type of page, a little paper in there for people. And then the really cool thing is I want to share a little bit about the postage and the stamping and all that stuff. So what I have found out this morning when I went to the post office is it all can go in this sheet. Unless you're doing like a catalog or something like that, then yes, like you would have to use like a bubble sheet. That would just be a little bit more. But I'm finding out that I like fold these papers in third, okay, like this, to be able to put in my envelope, okay, like this. And what I'm doing is I'm using the back part of here to take all of my samples to. You know, I kind of fold it, all my samples to, okay? And then what I'm doing is I'm just kind of taping my samples that I have from Mary Kay to the back of it. And if you tape them like this, I just put a little bit of tape on the back, and you put them in order like this, okay? This is just like an example. And you put it all, I wrap this inside the sheet here into 3. And I tape the outside of it, okay? And I put a little like sticky note that says, hey, Becca, I'm so excited for our appointment coming up this Thursday at 7 o'clock. Don't open this until then. And then what I do is I put it into my envelope that I have, okay? You put it in here, okay? Obviously a little bit nicer than this. You put it in there, and I am so excited because you do not have to do like the pirate ship for like a little bubble sheets that I was doing. It was like $2.70. So by using this envelope, you can actually put all of it in the envelope. It's I did a few and I took them to the post office. They said it's totally fine like having it in the envelope. And you can use what you call these butterfly stamps. And they are a 70-cent stamp. You could put it on the outside of the envelope, and that's all it would take to get it shipped to your customers for their appointment. Isn't that awesome? So it's so much cheaper than $2.70. It's only 70 cents. And this is for if you're a package, like if you have a kitchen scale, when you have it all ready to go, just weigh it on there. And if it weighs 1.1 ounce to 2 ounces on the dot, you only need the 70-cent stamp. If it is below 1 ounce, you only need the normal 55-cent stamp. And if it goes over the 2 ounces, you can use one of these stamps, which is an 85-cent stamp. I didn't even know it existed. Like, hello, it's so cool. I love saving money, so I will tell you anytime I find a way to save money. And if it ends up being a little bit more, then I think it's this stamp right here with this guy on it goes from 2.1 ounces up to 3. And then if it's from 3 to 3.5 ounces, it's $1 to send them. So you could use like 2 normal stamps.
So I just wanted to pop on and share a little bit about these stamps and like just how I'm sending some of my like facial in a bag pampering, you know, packages and stuff like that. Obviously, if you want to send a catalog, you could send that in the mail and do like a bigger bubble sheet, and you just, you know, you could just do it through Pirate Ship is what I would do. I love Pirate Ship, by the way. Pirateship.com is great. But you can also even be a little bit smarter and send the package like this in the white envelope, and then just send her a digital link of the catalog. So it just is some ways to save your money that you don't have to just feel like you have to have everything on hand to get things started.
So I hope that information was helpful, and I hope you guys have a lot of fun doing these virtual appointments.